Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are celebrating fall in Texas, which isn't near as good as, fall in New England. But the temperatures are awesome and you can smell that autumn smell in the air. It's so awesome. All right, so these are the colors I have today. This is straight up Persimmon from Primary Elements. This is Sunflower. Excuse me. Also from Primary Element, but I have added some gold, Arteza gold to it. And this is Liquitex Basics Copper. This is Arteza Pearl Green Metallic with their also Arteza's Phthalo green added to it. This is what is it? Oh, Arteza's Crimson with some Liquitex Basics Cadmium Orange Hue. So we are using our Amsterdam Oxide Black for our topper. We are going to do a set of coasters put together and I will show you what we're doing. Let's get started. Okay, I am ready. So I'm going to kind of do a combination between Shelley Carruthers' Bloom Technique and Kathleen Miller's Drizzle Swipe Wreck Spin. So we are going to be spinning it. I'm going to put colors down, not drizzle everywhere. I'm just going to put layers of color, and then I'm going to take a card. I'm going to swipe it with our cell activator, but not solid. Just kind of swipe around. I want to do like the leaves moving around. So, and then we're going to spin it. So let's just see how that results. I think I will do, do a line. Maybe I'll do an X. That way all 4 tiles will have plenty of paint. Okay. If it drips, it's no big deal. Every color doesn't have to be everywhere. So, yeah. You can get a little messy with it. It's no big deal. Once you've done Kathleen Miller's drizzle, it's hard to not drizzle it a bit. So, all right, we have used all the colors. So I'm going to get them out of the way. Running out of space. Putting some cell activator on a tile. It's easier to use it that way. Let me get a paper towel out to wipe my cards off. All right, I'm gonna rip it in half so I can use this end and this end. Just saves it a bit. All right, so, whoops. I'm gonna go by the jagged end. Let's try that. Never done that before. I believe in going with it, whatever happens. All right, so just gonna, oops. We'll see if it turns out. Really liking that. That looks like fall. Both of those. Cool. One more. Let's surround so we can get to it. All right. This seems like a harsh line. I'm gonna just do a little bit more. Whoop. All right. Now, I'm not gonna wreck it. I am just gonna give it a few minutes while I clean up my mess. Probably about 3 minutes to develop the cells a little bit, and then we will spin it out. I'll be right back. All right, it's been a couple minutes and I am ready to spin. What do you guys think? Let's go for it. Going clockwise. One more time clockwise, and we're gonna go counterclockwise. So usually I give these a couple of weeks to cure, and then I cover them with resin and give them another week to cure, and then they are ready. So I'm pretty excited. Whoa, okay, let's not get crazy. The bloom technique looks so good under resin. So I resin most of my blooms. Wow. That is really different. I like the movement. I hope this dries good. I'm going to give it one more spin. I like that the black is spread out, not much concentrated. Lots of cells, places to rest. I hope you guys like this. That corner looks a lot like fall. All right, let's come in for a close-up. How about that? All right. So that is the bottom right-hand corner. Got lots of cells going on there. There's the upper right, where you get another rest break up in the right-hand corner. And then lots and lots of color and cells in the upper left. And then we've got the lower left. So let's check out a little bit of the middle. Look at that. I love how the colors are there, with the yellow, the greens, the oranges, red. I don't know. I think this looks like fall. And it was a fun way. I think Shelly calls hers a pseudo swipe. And then Kathleen Miller calls hers the drizzle swipe wreck spin. So kind of combine the two. Very fun. like it. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I do more videos. Be inspired.